Hi, I'm going to show you how to make a cylinder out of clay. You need to roll a slab. So here's my slab right here. And it's important with the slab that you remember that you condition it. Just take one of your rubber ribs and go back and forth. And this helps compress the walls and avoid warpage. So I'm going to do that to both sides. Okay. You'll need a cylinder. You can use a cardboard cylinder, metal cylinder. This is an old rolling pin, and you're going to need a piece of newspaper. You want to wrap a single layer of newspaper around the cylinder, and I have masking tape here on my finger. And you want to make sure that you tape the masking tape to itself, not to the cylinder. You want to make sure the newspaper slides. Okay, so now here I have my beautifully conditioned slab. And I'm going to be cutting a rectangle that will be long enough to wrap around here. And so what I have here is my end wall. Here is my bottom wall. And then I want to figure out how tall I want it to be. So if I'm making a drinking cup, I might want to make it approximately 5 inches tall. So I can measure 5 inches here, come up from here, measure 5 inches, and then I'll cut the top edge like this. For those of you that need to be able to visualize it more, I'm going to be picking this up and going like that. So once I have my slab all rolled out, I need to determine how long it should be. And you do that really by simply rolling it around the tube. And then picking it up like this. Okay, now I take this, make sure it's a very nice tight edge like that, and then right where this edge connects to this edge, I'm going to cut down a bevel cut like that. Save this piece, you can use that for your bottom. And then right here, this connection, I'll peel back that edge, put that flat like this, and these are the connection points where I'm going to score and slip. So I'm taking my scoring rib and doing some nice scoring right here, and on the opposing edge right there, take some slip, nicely, and then attach the two sides. Okay, this little lump right here, you have a few options. You can go across with your finger. You can also take another rolling pin and just kind of roll up the side. I'm going to just take my knife right here and trim down the side, and then use that to make a nice edge like this. So far I have the cylinder. Now I need to add a bottom. I'm going to take my extra piece, put it on top using a pin tool. I'm going to cut the exact size all the way around, and then I'm going to score and slip the two pieces together. So I need to peel this back. I'll score this bottom edge right here, and then score this edge right here. Add slip. I'll actually add slip down here. All the way around. Put this on top, and then it's important to really work the cylinder in. So I'm kind of screwing it down a little bit, shimmying it back and forth to get it to stick like that. And then you want to smooth this up. All the way around. If you have some overhang, you can take your knife and trim it nice and flush. And then another thing you could do is take the scoring rib, and then actually score across the seam line, and take your rubber rib and smooth it up. And that'll give you a very nice connection right there. Finally, you want to slide the cylinder out, leaving the newspaper in, like that. And then you can remove your newspaper, and there you have it, your finished cylinder.